Hi, my name is Sebastián Alid Castillo Hernandez, and this is my audio or video for the activity 5 of the module 2 of Essential Financial English. So, the first term or concept that we will talk about is diversification. Diversification, I understand it like to put your money or income, or yes, the money that you have in different commercial places, like maybe a commercial place could be a restaurant, and other can be real estate. So what I understood is that to invest in different places, so the income or the capital that you have can be secure, and it doesn't depend in only one place or one thing. Then the next one is enrolled agent. This is a person that represent the taxpayers to the Internal Revenue Service. You can be an enrolled agent by presenting a test with some different things, or showing your experience as a former IRS employee. I think that this is very important to know the meaning of an enrolled agent, because if you know what an enrolled agent do, you can pay for their services, and maybe it can simplify some administrative things that we don't have time to do. Then the equity and owner's equity. Here says that represents the amount of money that will be returned to a company shareholders. So it is like when you invest in a company or in a business, and you are, or maybe you are a shareholder, like here it says you own the part of the company, is the money that you will have as a shareholder. The generally accepted accounting principles, or the GAAP, are the standards that the Financial Accounting Standards Board, or FASB, uses to approve, or are the approved accounting methods and practices for the company, so everything can be clear and everything can be under the law. Then the return on investment, the ROI, is the performance measure used to evaluate the efficiency or profitability of an investment, or compare the efficiency of a number of different investments. So what this means is that the ROI can calculate the return of money, obviously, you will have in an investment. If this is something this is not 100% sure, but it can help you to decide a lot of in a decision or choice where to invest your money. Then is the profit and loss statement, P&L, or income statement. This is a form or a document where you show the company's ability to generate sales, manage expenses, and create profits. This is something like a summary of the company. Then the bonds and coupons. The coupons or coupon payment is the annual interest rate paid on a bond. So this is the in other words, are the percentage of the is the percentage you have to pay for the coupon you had. This is annual, and it is in percentage, obviously. Then it is the limited liability company. This is a business structure in the US that protects its owners from personal responsibility for its debts or liabilities. What I understand is an entity that combines the characteristics of a corporation, and combines it with a partnership or the characteristics of a partnership or sole proprietorship. Then the trial balance is a bookkeeping worksheet in which the balance of all layers are compiled into debit and credit account columns that totals that are equal. This trial balance is prepared periodically, sorry, by the company, and it is usually present or reported at the end of a period. It can be a year, a month, but usually it is by year. Then the 401k and Roth 401k. These are different retirement savings accounts. The Roth 401k saving account is they are already taxed. The money you get is already free of taxes, and in the other hand the traditional 401k saving account is before taxes, so your income or the money you get will be lower. Then the income, we already know what is income. Income is the money that it is earned by working, or the profit you have by giving a service or selling a product. Then the expenditure is what you spend your money on. The income and the expenditure are related in the balance sheet. The expenditure are in one side, and it must be equal or more than the expenditure to have a profit. Then the budget, like we saw in the last activity, is something, it's like an estimate of income and expenditure for a set period of time. This is the definition, but the concept, or what I understood, is that the budget helps you to manage the money, and it is a way of have a control on what you spend your money, and on what you have left. My reflection or conclusion of this activity is that you have, and we must have knowledge of all these concepts, because we will have to make some decisions. We have to know how to invest money, how to save the money, and if we don't know some of these definitions, it can be really difficult, and can be something that we don't understand fully.